This video tutorial I will explain how to make your Amazon S3 bucket public. AWS Simple Storage Service is a powerful cloud storage solution. We will see the process of making your S3 bucket and its objects publicly accessible, which allows anyone on the internet to view and download your files. I have logged into AWS console, search for S3, click on S3, click on create bucket. Here provide the bucket name. I have not changed any default settings. Click on create bucket. The bucket has been created successfully. Here you can see the bucket. Click on this. Now you can upload the objects or files. Click on upload. You can upload files or folder. Now I am going to upload the folder. Click on add folder. Select the images folder. And images folder has two files. Here you can see the files. Click on upload. The folder with files are uploaded successfully. Here you can see under this bucket, images folder is created, and inside that it has two files. Click on bucket. Here you can see permission tab. Click on this. To make entire bucket public, click on edit button. Currently, the public access has been blocked. Uncheck this so that we can provide public access. Click on save changes. Confirm. Next, we have to add the policy. Copy this policy. Click on edit. Here, provide the bucket name. This policy allows public access to all the objects in this particular bucket. Save the changes. Click on the image. And here you can see the public URL. Right click, open. And here you can see. Now we can access this particular image. The image is public now. If you want to download, click on this button to download. It is downloaded. Now I am going to remove the public access. Click on Save. Delete the policy. Now I got access denied because public access has been removed. For this file also got access denied. Here there are two files are there. Now we will see how to provide public access to one file. Select this, click on action, and we have to use this option. Currently it is disabled. Make public using ACL. We will see how to enable this. Click on permissions. Click on edit. Uncheck this. Save changes. Here you can see object ownership section. Click on edit and enable ACL enabled. Click on save changes. Select the file. Now make public using ACL is enabled. Click on this. Click on make public and it is done. Open the public URL. Now we can access this file. We will check other file. We got access denied. Security considerations. First one is data sensitivity. Making a bucket or its objects public can expose sensitive data. So we have to carefully consider the nature of the information you are making accessible. Next one is access control. Ensure you understand the implication of public access, and you can consider alternative options like pre-signed URLs if full public access is not necessary. Next one is regular audits. Regularly review your buckets and objects permissions to ensure they are aligned with your security requirements and best practices. Cost considerations. Publicly accessible objects can be downloaded by anyone, which may result in higher cost for data transfer. You have to keep an eye on your S3 usage and cost, especially after making objects public. You can consider implementing bandwidth limits or request quotas to control cost if necessary. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more, and here you can see the description, and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.